already changing a small thing can make a large difference. I remember, now we're talking about this, that's already a long time ago, but I was a bit hesitant to approach others at work. And I spoke to someone about it, and already learning one sentence or saying one sentence to myself before approaching someone made it so much easier. And because I started doing this, I got practice and I started doing it more often. And now I don't even think about it anymore. And only because we talk about it, I remember that that was an issue in the first place. So we forget and get used to it and integrate it. Yeah,
Yes.
that's really nice.
And as you don't, it's not restrictive. So you can really implement it step by step. So it's not an all or nothing approach. It's really, what can I do today?
Mm-hmm.
Which is one positive step, which will have an impact on my health and automatically on the planet, because it goes hand in hand.
Yeah, I like that, these small steps. One of my coaches, because I'm working with coaches to also work on this emotional and mental aspect, because I know how important it is and how much difference it can make to have a different point of view. And that exercise was, well, to shorten it a bit, at least a question to ask myself, what are 1 to 3 things that I could do now to make me feel better, for example? And that can be easy things like just sit down in my chair and have a cup of tea, or go for a short 5-minute walk, or finish this to do because that has been on my list for ages and it starts bothering me, etc. I think that's a very great exercise, and that fits very well to what you're saying, that these small changes can already make a big difference, because after 5 minutes drinking a cup of tea, I feel a lot more refreshed and I can continue my sustainability work again.